Hey, good morning, my financial algebra students. It is early Monday morning. Having so many problems with my video apps today. I'm not sure what's going on. So, yesterday would have been Pi Day. If we were in person, I would have a whole big day thing. I would have had pies, of course. I would have had all kinds of things with circles and stickers, and I had just have all kinds of material that I had from my other school for Pi Day. I used to make it really fun. Fortunately, we're not in school, so the only thing I can do for you is give you a little extra credit. So there's an Pi Day Ed puzzle for you if you want to go ahead and do that today. So that's it about Pi Day. Moving to our week, looking at our week at a view, we are going to be looking at a post-secondary path. So when I say that, it could be college, it could be a trade school, it could be something else. But I want you to think of what path you want to take for your post-secondary education. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to look at an ed puzzle. So kind of a quiet day, not quiet, but a late day, because it's just an ed puzzle. And then there is a discussion post. Um, I don't really have a document. If I have to, I make videos as I go through, but there's no real document for the week. This week, there's not, vocab and stuff like that. It's more you just investigating a post-secondary path. If I take a look at today's agenda, um, you're just doing that ed puzzle and then you're going on to your discussion. And the discussion post, you do need to give evidence. So you can't say, yes, college is worth it. You have to actually say why you think it's worth it. So when I say state evidence, I am looking to see if you're giving any evidence about why college is worth it, and not just saying, yeah, I think it's worth it because it's the right thing for me. Um, so that's the two things today. Again, you can do the ed puzzle. This is the video that I'm making right now. So, looking at Power School, I did put in quite a few things for you guys because we're supposed to give a pretty well-rounded thing, which is meaning we need collaboration writing. I did give you a flip grid, which I haven't put in yet because not everyone has done that flip grid, and out of the couple people that did it, only a couple people, one person didn't have sound. So I'm going to put the flip grid in today. You guys have been great. You've been putting in late things, and I think that's awesome. Uh, I will be putting them in today. I did get a chance to visit with family, and I had to travel to do that. So I tried to get as much stuff in as I could, but I know I don't have everything in. I will work on that today, I promise you. So keep on getting those things in. You have today and not today. You have this week and next week. I'll be trying to reach out to you individually on how we can make up a plan to get your grade up. It's certainly not too late, and we will work on that together. Come into Zoom if you can, but let's work on that. One last thing I do want to talk about is I do have to go get my COVID test today. So I have my hours a little bit different. Most of you don't come into Zoom, but if you do want to come into Zoom, these are my hours adjusted for today, because I do have to travel. I do live in the Reading area and I do have to travel to Lancaster to get my COVID shot. So that's it. If there's anything else that you would like to talk about, please feel free. You guys have been so great in emailing me. So email me. I do know I have to catch up on some of the later stuff that you've done, and I will do that. I promise you. And that's it. Hope you guys have a great day and a great week.